Hi there, quick exact synergy tip. Sometimes a workflow should go to different groups depending on what the request is about. For example, an IT request about hardware should go to the hardware team. A request about the phone system should go to telecom. A request about security access should go to a different group again. The usual first thought is, we need conditions, custom logic, or a script behind the workflow. But in many cases, you can solve this with standard synergy. Here is the trick. Use the project field as a dynamic routing selector. Importantly, this doesn't mean the request is actually about a project. You're simply using projects as smart routing groups. Each project has members, and those members are the people who should receive the workflow. So if you set up projects for things like IT hardware, phone system, security access, and facilities, you've essentially built your routing system. Then, on the request type, you make the project field visible or mandatory, and configure the workflow step to go to the members of the selected project. So the user creates a request, chooses the correct category in the project field, and Synergy routes the workflow to the members of that selected group. No hard-coded employee names, no custom SQL, no developer needed every time the routing changes. If the phone system team changes, you update the members of the phone system project. The workflow keeps working. That is the real win. You move the maintenance from workflow customization to standard Synergy project membership. This works especially well when you need condition-based routing, but the conditions are really just which team should handle this. So the takeaway is simple. Before you customize workflow routing, check if you can model the routing options as project member groups and let Synergy do the routing out of the box. It is not about projects, it is about using standard Synergy structure smarter. I hope you found this tip helpful. With over 100 years of combined experience in improving business operations, we are happy to be your trusted, exact software service provider. Do you want to learn more? Reach out at tice-it.com. That's tice-it.com. Or drop us a comment below.